Hello everyone! In this video, we are going to make the chevron rose ribbon flower. I love making this handmade flower because it's so easy to make and yet so chic. If you make this hair clip for your little one, I guarantee you'll be their bestest person in the world. So please keep watching till the end so you'll learn how to put this cutie on a hair clip. So let's begin. For the materials, we would be needing the following. A 30 by 5 centimeter velvet ribbon. Now there are a couple of materials that you could use instead of a velvet ribbon, and I'm gonna list them down on the description box below. We are also going to use scissors, pins, and hot glue. Fold the ribbon in half lengthwise and then secure with pins. This will help you have more control over the ribbon when you are making the petals. Now that we have secured the ribbon, we now cut diagonal lines from the fold. We are gonna do this on the entire length of the ribbon. You can cut as thin as 3 millimeters to as thick as 5 millimeters. While we're waiting for my hands to finish cutting, please click the subscribe button and hit the bell icon because I love you and this would really help me more than you know. So we're just finishing up cutting the fringes. And I'm just gonna take off the excess ribbon from both ends. Open the ribbon up and lay it flat on your work table with a pointed end pointing to the left. So we now start adding glue on one edge of the ribbon. For this, I allow a 1 centimeter gap before I add my first strip of glue. Now that I have added the strip of glue, I now stick both edges together and continue gluing both edges throughout the entire length of the ribbon. So this is what it looks like after gluing both edges together. Now we add a bead of glue on the gap we made earlier and then fold. Add a strip of glue next to the fold and begin to roll the ribbon. Look how the petals are now starting to form. Isn't it lovely? So we continue gluing the petals until we reach the end. Remember to keep the base even so it's easier to incorporate on your projects. As you can see, the last petal is sticking out in a weird way. So you put glue on one side of the petal, spread it, and then stick it side at the base of the flower. Clean up the strings of glue before you start using it on your projects. And now I'm going to show you what it looks like if you cut the diagonal strips thinner or thicker. And now we start putting this flower into the hairpin. To do that, we would need the following: a 2.5 by 5 centimeter velvet ribbon, a round felt that is traced from the base of the flower, an alligator clip, scissors, lighter, and hot glue. Fold the ribbon from one corner diagonally, forming a right triangle. Cut along the lines of the triangle. Round the tip of the triangle to form half of the leaf's shape. Now we seal the raw edges with the lighter. Oops! I don't like burn marks in this leaf, so I'm doing this again. Right? So I'm just going to cut another leaf before I set them aside. Now we get the alligator clip and the round felt. Fold the felt in half and cut two slits parallel to each other. We have to make sure that the slits would fit the width of the alligator clip. Insert the alligator clip and then position the felt at the center. Glue the felt flaps on the alligator clip to secure. Get the felt leaves and then glue them on the felt base. Add a generous amount of glue on the leaf base and then attach the ribbon flower. Thank you so much for watching. If you want to learn more on how to make flowers, be sure to check out the videos on the left. Bye!